There are many things that are trending nowadays, such as food, fashion, hairstyle, and more. Not only in our country but all over the world.
What is climate change?
What makes climate change?
How it may affect my life.
Why should I care?
Climate change is a real and serious issue. The Earth's climate is influenced by many factors, mainly by the amount of energy coming from the sun. The main cause of the phenomenon known is the greenhouse effect. Gases in the atmosphere like water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons lets the sunlight in but keeps some of heat from escaping. The more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the more heat gets trapped, strengthen the greenhouse effect and increasing the Earth's temperature. Human activities contribute a lot of gases in the atmosphere because of
burning fossil fuels. When we burn fossil fuels like coal and gas to create electricity or power our cars, we release carbon dioxide pollution into the atmosphere.
farming. Animals, livestock like sheep and cattle produce methane, a greenhouse gas. When livestock graze at large scale, the amount of methane produced is a big contributor to global warming.
Emissions of pollutants in the air can result in changes to the climate. Ozone in the atmosphere warms the climate, while different components of particulate matter can have either warming or cooling effects on the climate. For example, black carbon, a particulate pollutant for the combustion, contributes to the warming of the earth, while particulate sulfates cool the earth's atmosphere.
The impacts of climate change in wildlife. Global warming is likely to be the greatest cause of species extinctions this century, and climate change is happening too quickly for many species to adapt.
Climate change and forest. When large areas of forests are destroyed, it's disastrous for the local species and communities that rely on them. Dying trees emit their stores of carbon dioxide, adding to atmospheric greenhouse gases and setting us on a course for runaway global warming.
Rivers and lakes supply drinking water for people and animals and are a vital resource for farming and industry. Freshwater environments around the world are already under excessive pressure from drainage, dredging, damming, pollution, extraction, silting, and invasive species. Climate change only exacerbates the problem and makes this worse. Extremes of drought and flooding will become more common, causing displacements and conflict. Climate change in Antarctica. Antarctic ice sheet is the largest single mass of ice on Earth. This ice plays a vitally important role in influencing the world's climate, reflecting back the sun's energy and helping to regulate global temperatures. Parts of the West Antarctica Peninsula are among the fastest warming places on Earth. Even small-scale melting is likely to have significant effects on global sea level rise that cause flash floods in some areas.
What shall we do to reduce climate change? Number 1, be informed. Number 2, be vocal. Eat sustainably. Buy sustainably.
Travel sustainably.
We are the causes of climate change, but we can be part of the solution.